All right, welcome everyone. So I'm here in doing an eighth grade. I am um, Unit 4, Lesson 6, solving some linear equations with several steps. And I want to start with this one, letter A. And so the strategy is, how can we solve this equation? Notice you have a fractions on each side. And so there's different ways to go about this. Um, I did mention to my class that if you have a fraction and you want to get rid of the fraction, you multiply both sides by the reciprocal of that. In this case, because I have a 5/6 on the left and a 5/3 on the right, what I'm going to do is look for the biggest number that goes into 6 and 3. And I'm going to multiply every term. I'm going to multiply this term, and this term by the highest number. And in this case, 6 goes into 6 and 3 goes into 6. So I'll be multiplying everything by 6. So I would have 6 times negative 5, 6 times 8 plus 5b. On this side, I'm just multiplying 6 times negative 5, 6. This will cancel. On the right side, I have to multiply also the next two terms by 6. When I multiply, each term multiplies by 6. Now, on the right side, there are two terms because they're adding. On the left side, somebody says, Mister, I see a plus. Do I multiply this times 6 and this times 6? No, you don't. Why? Because this is in a parenthesis. You just have these two numbers multiplied. So there's no need to multiply each single term. Now here multiply 6 by 75 and also 6 by 5/3 b. So again, multiplied everything by 6 because that's the common denominator here. Now let's bring down our equal. Remember, that's the balance of our equation. On the left side, the 6's cancel. Canceling doesn't mean 0. I have to remind people of this. 6 over 6 is 1. 1 times negative 5, that's negative 5 times 8 plus 5b. And on the right side, 6 times 75 is 450. And 6 times 5/3, notice that 6 divided by 3, it's a 2. And 2 times 5, that's 10b. We're done with that. Now we have an equation with no more fractions. I will multiply 5 times 8, 5 times 5b. And on the right side, I will bring this down. Then I will, remember, move variables to one side, move constants to the other, and simplify. But that was the main problem here, how to solve that, okay? So this is the strategy.